Friends, my name is Nikhil. If you're looking to buy a 2 BHK apartment in Baner below 80 lakhs or a 3 BHK apartment below 1 crore, this is the video you need to watch. Keep watching. I represent Lifestyle Estates. We are a property consultants based in Baner, Pune. Through this channel, we review and showcase some of the best projects in west of Pune. Today we are at a lovely cafe at Pancard Club Road, which is one of the most happening and sorted residential hubs within Baner. Behind me you can see Bitwise company and the Mumbai-Pune Expressway bypass. The project that we are going to see today is named Bela Casa, which has been developed by Rachna Lifestyle. So let's go and check out their office today and meet their representative and see what they have to offer. So we are at Rachna Lifestyle's Baner office. Rachna Lifestyle has an experience of 3 decades and they have delivered 35 plus projects in Pune. In fact, 3 of the projects are delivered in Baner and 7 projects in Aund. Now let's go to the project Bela Casa and see the sample apartment and rest of the development, how it's coming up. Come on, let's go. Towards my left is Baner Pancard Club Road and right is Baner Sus Road. We are now at the junction of Bitwise company. From this point, Bela Casa project is exactly 650 meters straight road towards my right. You will notice proper tar road, which is an approach road from the highway directly to Bela Casa, corporation water tank and other infrastructure, which is only going to get better because this location has recently come under Pune Municipal Corporation limits. Spread across 25 acres of land parcel to be developed in 3 phases, the first 2 phases of the project is already developed and handed over to its customers. More than 550 families already reside in Bela Casa phase 1 and 2. The project has amenities like swimming pool, amphitheater, clubhouse, gymnasium, kids play area, party lawn and a temple. Today we are going to look at the upcoming phase 3, which is named Bela Casa Royale, which is under construction and will have 3 new towers. Construction of Tower A has commenced and this tower will have ground plus 2 level parking plus 16 residential floors with a mix of 2 and 3 bedroom apartments. There will be 7 apartments on 1 floor with 3 lifts and 2 staircases. Carpet area for a 3 BHK is approximately 1100 square feet and a 2 BHK will be approximately 900 square feet. It is not common to find a 2 BHK apartment which is 900 square feet carpet area in Pune, and Bela Casa Royale will offer you a spacious 2 BHK apartment at an affordable price.